Good morning, students. The last session I explained all the concept regarding the financial planning. Component of GST, what is GST, how it is levied, what is intrastate, what is interstate, which are the components are CGST, SGST, IGST. Then what is CGST, what is SGST, and what is IGST. All these points with multi-stage, okay, cascading effect, value addition, all these important concepts I taught you. Now in this session we'll see the example regarding the GST from the practice set 4.1. Now student, see the first question. Pawan Medical supplies a medicine. On some medicine, the rate of GST is, at the time of reading this, it is very important. GST it is given, that is 12%. Then what is CGST and SGST? Obviously, all of you know that when the GST is 12%, the half of the amount is goes to the central government, that is CGST, and half of the amount is goes to the state government. Means if your GST is 12%, obviously your CGST and SGST rate is equal to rate of GST divided by 2, that is a 6%. Sorry. Now question number second. On a certain article, if the rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST? Obviously, CGST is equal to SGST. And what is the rate of GST? What is given? Rate of CGST 9. But all of you know that rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. And therefore, rate of SGST is equal to 9%. What is GST? GST is CGST plus of SGST, that is 18%. Very simple. So this will ask in MCQ type only, not to be solved. Now question number 3, it will ask for the 2 marks. Okay. Now MS Real Paint sold the 2 tins of a luster paint and taxable value given. Listen, taxable value given, that is a 2800. Means for 1 tin how much value it is? 2800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. Very simple question. Always remember, whenever word problems are there, firstly write the given things. Firstly write the given thing, that is a taxable value of 1 tin is 2800. Taxable value of 2 tins is, obviously quantity is 2, therefore multiply with the taxable value, you will get the total value. Okay, total taxable value is 5600. Now rate of GST is 28%. Obviously if it is a 28%, what is CGST and SGST? Because they are asking about the CGST and SGST. So CGST and SGST equal to 14%. So on 14% on taxable value is 14. Therefore 14,100 multiply by 14 upon 100. Okay, it is a 14 divided by 100, 14%. So 14 divided by 100. Wait, properly I will write. What is this step? This step is 14 divided by 100 multiply by taxable amount, that is total taxable amount. It is 566,600. So these two will cancel out. What you will get, that is 784. This is your CGST and SGST amount. If GST asks, instead of 14, take a 28%. Okay, very simple. Now next question. The taxable value of a wristwatch belt is 7,586. Rate of, I think it is rupees. Okay, not 7. Rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of belt for the customer? Taxable value of wristwatch is rupees 586. Rate of GST is 18%. So we have to find out 18% on how much, which value? On 18% on 586. So how it is calculated? 18 divided by 100 multiply by 586, and after calculation you will get the value. Here it is also 18 divided by 100, 105.48. So this is your GST. Okay. So amount to be paid by the customer is how much? Taxable value plus GST. So it is 6. Taxable value is 586 and GST is 105.48, and therefore the total amount paid by the customer is 691.48 rupees. It is compulsory to write this statement, because for this statement you will get the half marks. Okay, next. Sorry. Next. So this question number 5 is also very simple. The total value with GST of a remote controlled toy car is. Now here listen, taxable value means without tax and total value means with tax. Okay, don't be confused. Taxable amount means, now listen here, taxable amount means without tax and total amount means always with a GST. Okay, sometimes it is mentioned, sometimes it is not mentioned in a question. If not mentioned, then you have to understand yourself. So the total value of a remote control toy car is rupees 1770. Rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find the taxable value CGST, SGST for the toy car. Now what is the total amount of GST? We don't know, that we have to find out. So consider it is a X. What is total amount with GST? 1770 rupees. So taxable amount is total amount minus of GST. So GST is how much? 18%. So if it is a X, then 18 upon 100 multiply by taxable amount. How we are calculating GST? GST is equal to, always remember, GST is calculated. GST is equal to whatever the percentage upon 100 multiply by taxable amount. Which amount? Taxable amount. Okay. So on this formula we can calculate firstly the GST. Now shift this 100 this side, multiply it. After calculation, what you will get? You will get the GST rupees 270. Now taxable value of remote control car is total value minus of GST. So total value is 1770 minus GST is 270, and therefore the taxable value of remote control car is 1500. So what is CGST and SGST? CGST equal to SGST equal to total GST divided by 2, that is equal to 175 rupees. Okay. So properly mention all this question in your notebook. Now next question. The Tip Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of an AC supplied is rupees 51,200 with GST. Now listen, it means this is total value. It means it is total value. So rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amount as shown in the tax invoice of Tip Top Electronic. Very simple. Rate of CGST is 14%. Rate of CGST is equal to SGST. Therefore, SGST also 14%. Now second, what is the rate of GST on AC? GST is CGST plus of SGST, that is a 28%. Let the cost means taxable amount of AC be 100 rupees. On 100 rupees, how many GST? 28. Therefore, the cost of GST cost of AC with GST is 128. For the total value of 128, the taxable value is 100. So for the total value of 51,200, the taxable value we have to consider x. And according to the formula, total value, always remember that total value upon taxable value is always constant as the rate of GST is same. What we are considering, for 100 rupees also rate of GST is 28%, and for this amount also rate of GST is this percent. So by substituting the value, total value, we know that if the taxable amount is 100, the total value is 128. If taxable amount we have to find out when the total amount is given 51,200. Now do the cross multiplication, you will get the answer, and therefore the taxable value of AC is 40,000. Total value means value with GST. Taxable amount means value without GST. These two concepts you have to remember. Now next question from this sixth question, that is a sub question. Now see, total amount of GST is 28%. Taxable value, how to calculate? Again here division is not it. 28 divided by 28% means 28 divided by 100 multiply by amount. Okay, this is a amount, and therefore total amount of GST is 11,200. Amount of CGST is 5,600. Amount of CGST equal to SGST equal to 5,600, and therefore amount of SGST is 5,600. So CGST is GST divided by 2. What is the amount? 11,200 divided by 2, that is equal to 5,600. Now student, this sixth question though I explain, this seventh one you have to, okay, let it be. The Prasad purchased a washing machine from the Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. Rate of GST charge is given, it is 28%. Find the purchase price of washing machine. Also find the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice. Very simple question. Printed price of washing machine is 40,000. रेट ऑफ डिस्काउंट 5%. हमें कितने का डिस्काउंट मिला है? 5. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द डिस्काउंट? 5 डिवाइड बाय 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 40,000, that is equal to 2,000. So how much amount of 1 minute. So according to the discount 5%, how to calculate the discount in amount? It is 5% means 5 divided by 100 multiplied by 4 amount or machine printed price, we will get the discount, that is 2,000. Now taxable value is equal to printed price minus discount. Is it? Printed price is how much? 40,000. हमें कितने का डिस्काउंट मिला? 2,000. So what is the actual value? Taxable amount means हमें how much amount, on how much amount we have to tax? We have to pay a tax on a 38,000. Therefore rate of GST is 28%, and we have to calculate CGST as GST, it is a 14%, and CGST is equal to 14 of taxable value, and therefore it is a 14 divided by 100 multiplied by 30. 14 divided by 100 multiplied by 14 divided by 100 multiplied by taxable amount. So you will get the CGST SGST equal to 5,320 rupees. Now purchasing price of washing machine is taxable value plus CGST plus SGST, and after adding you will get the purchasing amount, that is the total amount of the machine is 48,640 rupees, and amount of CGST and SGST is 5,320 rupees. So this statement to write, to mention, it is compulsory, because no need to repeat. Then also I am saying for this statement you will get the half marks. So question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd you have to solve. Complete it in your notebook, all this practice set as well as these 3 questions, and only these 3 questions you have to send me. first, second and third. No need to send whole practice set. Okay.